Guys, this server's modded this server that I ever went into. I got my money back. Let's go into the video. Haunted Mansion is now here. It's a glitch, and this is like Mothers Are Back.
Guys,
it's a similar version to Mothers Are Back video.
Hi, Haunted Mansion lady, I want you.
Haunted Mansion lady jump scared of the kid. It was insane. I put the flashlight on top of it, like the.
Hey. Hey.
Come here,
Flashlight, it's probably causing us to summon here.
Bro, look, there's a grappler.
You don't like me?
Hey, who wants getting grappler? Who wants to see my kill pad?
And for my goal for this year is getting 100 subs. Yeah, shut up, kid.
Okay, set up, kid.
Oh
yeah, I almost forgot to sell this egg.
Wait, what did you
That's sir. This sir. Oh, no, it's not that mod.
Oh, sell me.
She's here.
Oh, no, I almost went into her.
Kill her.
She's invincible. We're safe.
What's up, guys? Where's Haunted
That's
Lady?
insane. Wait, he's here now. Hey, lady, I just saw her, bro.
No.
Hello.
My God.
No, I like. What in the name of Yeehaw hat? No. Hey, no. Hey, good.
My hands are so wet, guys. I just can't stand moving. What the hell? What the hell's happening?
I'm not weird.
It stops now.
Who wants to come with me to we the anglerfish here? Me.
What the hell, bro? Stop killing.
Are we just playing tag with?
Yeah, I wanted to see if we could kill him. I can't see.
Go down there.
Two by me, Blackwood. Hey, there, two by me, Blackwood. Two by me, Blackwood. The anglerfish is all here.
Wait, what?
The anglerfish is all here, everybody.
No, he isn't.
The anglerfish is all here.
Now it's back to
Drop
modded, bro. Let's go.
Activate it.
No, bring the oak, bro, bring Angler over here.
Hey, do it again.
Anybody
got
an
anything
Angler
that I
come
can
use
use that is going up?
You have a snowball.
Yo, wait, is that a snowball? Oh, wait, no.
No,
I've got a bunch of snowballs, bro. I've got too much.
Oh, cool.
Yo, wait, do you have anything that can give me money? I need money.
I haven't really got anything.
I'm only got
come here.
29.89k, bro.
Come here. Right. You ready? Grab that, activate it, and then drop it. Alright. I will bring you somewhere.
No!
I'm only joking.
Okay, this is actually modded, so this is the end